They did everything right. Worked 40 years, paid off the mortgage, saved when they could, and at 66, they're working part-time at a hardware store to cover groceries. Did you know the median American retiree has just $13,000 saved? And that 1 in 5 seniors over 65 carries credit card debt every month? Retired and broke isn't a personality flaw. It's a math problem, and it has 7 specific causes. Today, we walk through the 7 decisions that quietly drained the savings of millions of retirees who thought they were doing the right thing. Real numbers, verified for 2026, so you can spot them before they become your story. First, the scale of the problem. The Federal Reserve's most recent survey of consumer finances tells a brutal truth. The median American household has $13,000 in retirement savings. Households between 65 and 74 hold a median net worth of just over $409,000. And that includes home equity. The bottom 20% of retirees, around $10,000 in net worth. And the average American is saving 4.6% of income. That number alone tells the story. To retire comfortably, financial planners say you need to save at least 15% of your gross income for 30 years. Most Americans save less than a third of that. Then they're stunned when they hit 65 and the math doesn't work. Now the 7 mistakes. Each one costs more than people realize. Mistake 1. Cashing out a 401k at job change. About 40% of workers who change jobs cash out their 401k instead of rolling it over. They lose 10% to penalty if under 59.5. They lose 22 to 32% to federal income tax. And they lose decades of compound growth. A $25,000 cash out at age 35 becomes about $220,000 in lost retirement balance by age 65 at average market returns. Mistake 2. Carrying credit card debt into retirement. In 2026, the average American credit card carries an APR around 25%. 85% of Americans aged 65 and older carry some form of debt. More than 1 in 4 still pays a mortgage after age 65. Carrying $10,000 in credit card debt at 25% costs you $2,500 a year, every year. That comes out of your fixed retirement income. Mistake 3. Claiming Social Security at 62. Claiming at 62 reduces your monthly benefit by about 30% for life. If your full retirement age benefit is $2,071, the 2026 average, claiming early drops it to about $1,450. That's a $600 permanent monthly cut. Multiplied over 25 years of retirement, that single decision costs roughly $180,000. Mistake 4. Buying too much house at the wrong time. Many retirees-to-be upgrade their home in their 50s. Bigger square footage, higher property tax, higher utilities, higher insurance. Then they retire on a fixed income and discover that 20% of their monthly check is going to maintain a house they don't need. The classic retirement trap. If this is the kind of straight-talk retirement information you wish you'd had earlier, please hit like and drop a comment below. I read every comment and reply personally. Share this with family and friends who need to see this. And don't forget to subscribe, because we put out several new videos every week. Drop a comment if any of these mistakes hit close to home. Real stories help everyone watching. Mistake 5. Co-signing for adult children. This one breaks more retirements than any other single decision. A retiree co-signs a car loan, a mortgage, a private student loan for an adult child. Then the child defaults. The lender comes for the parent. fixed retirement income gets garnished. Credit gets destroyed at age 70. There is no recovery time at that age. Co-signing in retirement is one of the riskiest things a fixed income retiree can do. Mistake 6. Underestimating healthcare costs. Fidelity's 2026 retirement healthcare cost estimate is over $165,000 per person. The average amount a 65-year-old will spend on healthcare over the rest of their retirement. And Medicare doesn't cover long-term care at all. 70% of seniors will need some form of long-term care. Average annual cost of nursing home care is around $108,000. Mistake 7. Not adjusting spending in the first 3 years of retirement. This is the silent killer. The first 3 years of retirement are when most people overspend. Travel they didn't take during their working years. Home renovations. Helping family. The honeymoon period. Spending in those first 3 years sets the trajectory for the next 25. Overspending early creates a withdrawal rate the portfolio can't sustain. Read that again. The first 3 years set the trajectory. Financial planners use a 4% rule as a baseline, meaning if you have $1 million saved, you can typically withdraw about $40,000 a year and have the money last 30 plus years. But if you withdraw 7 or 8% in the first 3 years to cover travel, gifts, and renovations, the math collapses. The portfolio doesn't recover. Now the most dangerous combination. A retiree with credit card debt who claimed Social Security early, who is helping an adult child, who didn't budget for health care, and who overspent in years 1 through 3 of retirement. That person is now 72 years old and asking the question, how did I get here? The answer is 5 wrong decisions. Each one looked reasonable at the time. Take a real case. A retired teacher in Phoenix. She retired at 62 with $300,000 saved. Claimed Social Security at 62. Co-signed a car loan for her son. Helped pay her grandchildren's tuition. By age 70, her savings was down to $90,000, and her son had defaulted on the loan. The collection notice came to her address. She's now working part-time at a craft store at age 73 to keep up with her property tax. And the most encouraging fact, fixing one of these mistakes, just one, meaningfully changes the math. Pay off $10,000 in credit card debt at 25%. That's $2,500 added back to your fixed income every year. Delay Social Security from 62 to 66. That's a 30% permanent monthly increase. Stop co-signing for adult children. That's risk eliminated. Each correction matters. All right, let's lock this in. 7 decisions quietly drain retirement savings. Cashing out 401k at job change. Carrying credit card debt into retirement. Claiming Social Security at 62. Buying too much house. Co-signing for adult children. Underestimating healthcare costs. Overspending in the first 3 years. The median American retiree has $13,000 in savings. 85% of seniors over 65 carry debt. The average American saves 4.6% of income. These are math problems. Each one is fixable. The earlier you act, the more it matters. If you're 55 right now, every dollar saved this year compounds for 10 years before you tap it. If you're 65 right now, every dollar of debt eliminated is a dollar of fixed income freed up forever. The earlier you spot the mistake, the more time you have to fix it. Real recovery starts with one decision. Just one. If this video helped you, please give it a like and drop a comment below. I read every single comment and reply personally to your questions. Send this to family and friends who need to see this. And make sure you subscribe because we put out several new videos every week. And the next video you should watch is the 5 warning signs that broke retirement is coming. The quiet signals that show up years before the bank account does. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss it. It will be uploaded within the next 2 days. See you there.